In today's video, we're reviewing WhiteBIT, one of the most rapidly growing crypto exchanges known for its strong security, wide range of assets, and generous onboarding promotions. I'll walk you through what WhiteBIT offers, the pros and cons, and how you can unlock the best welcome bonuses available for new users. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss the steps to activate your rewards. What is WhiteBIT? WhiteBIT is a global cryptocurrency exchange offering spot trading, futures, margin trading, staking, lending, and a variety of reward programs. It supports a large number of cryptocurrencies and gives users access to both simple beginner tools and advanced trading features. Because of its security, features, and bonuses, it has become a popular choice among new traders and experienced crypto users alike. Key advantages of WhiteBIT. Here are the strongest benefits of using WhiteBIT. First, it supports a wide range of crypto assets and trading pairs. Second, it offers low trading fees and high liquidity markets. Third, it includes advanced features such as futures trading, margin trading, and staking. Fourth, it has a secure and user-friendly ecosystem, including its own utility token, WBT. Fifth, WhiteBIT regularly provides promotions and welcome bonuses for new users, including deposit rewards, fee discounts, and special event perks. WhiteBIT Welcome Bonus Explained. Many reviews and promotional listings highlight that WhiteBIT offers bonuses that can reach up to 5,000 USDT depending on the active campaign. These bonuses may include deposit rewards, trading fee discounts, cashback, task-based rewards, participation in exclusive events or trading competitions. Your actual bonus depends on your region, the tasks you complete, and the promotion active at the time you register. To see your exact welcome offer, click the registration link in the description and check your rewards or promotion section after creating your account. Drawbacks you should know. Before you sign up, here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Some bonuses require completing tasks such as deposits or trading volume. 2. Certain advanced features may feel overwhelming for beginners. 3. As with any exchange offering futures or margin, inexperienced users must manage risk carefully. WhiteBIT is strong overall, but it's important to understand the conditions behind each promotion. How to register and unlock the bonus. Here's how you can activate your WhiteBIT welcome bonuses. Step 1. Click the registration link in the description. Step 2. Create your WhiteBIT account and complete the sign-up form. Step 3. Complete identity verification if required. Step 4. Visit your rewards or promotion section to view your current bonuses. Step 5. Complete the tasks listed, such as depositing or placing your first trade, to unlock your rewards. The earlier you register, the more likely you are to catch the highest available bonus. Tips to maximize your bonus. To get the most value from your welcome package, start with smaller trades to understand the platform. Review the requirements of each bonus before completing tasks. Explore fee discounts and staking options to reduce your trading costs. Avoid high leverage unless you fully understand how futures and margin work. Always trade responsibly and manage your exposure. Compared with larger exchanges, WhiteBIT stands out because of its clean interface, strong reward programs, and a balance of beginner and advanced tools. It may not have the global dominance of the biggest exchanges, but it offers generous bonuses, strong security, and a growing ecosystem, making it a solid choice for many users. Is WhiteBIT worth using? WhiteBIT is a great option for beginners and intermediate traders looking for a secure, feature-rich exchange with solid promotional offers. If you want a platform that's easy to learn, packed with features, and offering welcome bonuses worth checking out, WhiteBIT is definitely worth trying. If you want to claim your WhiteBIT welcome bonus, possibly up to 5,000 USDT, click the registration link in the description right now. These promotions can change or end at any time, so register early to secure the best offer. If you found this review helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment "I registered" once you've signed up. I'll help guide you with your next steps. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.